Okay, so hello everyone. I hope you're doing great. I'm glad to be here with you today to present Impactful. Before we start, allow me to introduce myself. I'm Branislava. I'm co-founder of Impactful. I have over 2 decades of experience in journalism, working in diverse roles. In recent years, I've had the exceptional opportunity to work as a consultant and trainer with journalists and newsrooms around the world. On the next slide, you will have a chance to see that today we will talk about the story behind Impactful, how it started, what we do, and what we learned so far. We'll also dedicate special attention to the ethical use of artificial intelligence. So let's start. What is Impactful? Impactful is a media outlet that reports on AI using AI. When we were thinking about starting a small newsroom, we realized that without using AI, it would be impossible to achieve all that we wanted, and we had quite ambitious goals. The idea was not only to run an online media outlet, but also to organize different workshops and mentorship programs. Our goal is to make knowledge in this field accessible to everyone through everything we do. If you visit Impactful's website, you'll see that we cover AI through different formats. We have video podcast, written interviews, which we call Texel Talks. We have news updates, which we call AI briefings, and AI Start, a guide for those interested in AI but without prior knowledge. How do we use AI in this process? We use it in several ways, but for today I'll mention just several examples. Optimizing newsroom operations, AI powered content generations, and AI for multimedia production. What is most important is human side oversight. So human oversight is always our top priority. Ethical AI application is the most important, and we always emphasize it. We also share with our audience how we use it through an AI policy published on our website. And additionally, whenever we use AI, we clearly label it and specify how and for what purpose it was used. Let me show just an example how it works. I've chosen to highlight the Impactful video podcast. So we record interviews with guests online, which reduce production costs. However, it often happens, actually it always happens, that the quality of the material needs some sort of improvement. So to streamline editing and achieve professional quality results, we use AI-driven video editing tools like Opus Pro, Capwing, and others. For audio, we rely on tools like Auphonic and Isotope RX to balance voices and to reduce noise and to improve clarity. Given that it's a video podcast, we strive for high quality videos. So, alongside paid services, we've also used AI for B roll material. Subtitles are also essentials, and we use for quick subtitle generations tools like Vit. Each video has a transcript, so to simplify converting those files to Word documents, we use Hugging Chat, Claude, or, for example, ChatGPT. The podcast is published on YouTube and also on our website. So while we write the introduction ourselves, we use AI to generate key points, but only for this segment, and we label this usage. We never use AI to write text, whether for interviews, news article, or any other segment. We use it only for summaries. Additionally, we never use for planning, topic selection, or communication with our audience. Now, let's go back to the time before we made this decision and starting using AI. Before we start everything, we ask ourselves two basic questions: why and how we would use AI and in which areas. And we decided to move forward step by step. We also address different concerns like how our team would start using AI and how we would onboard new colleagues. And we resolve this through internal documents and guidelines. Our decision, both for internal use and audience communications, are based on transparency. And we work on improving AI literacy for our audience through articles and also through video podcasts, and for our team through training. So, this commitment to quality applies to all content that we prepare and publish. So, those are some sort like key takeaways. And what is the most important is that quality is all over the above. Like we will see on the next slide, one story at a time. So we preparing different kind of workshops and trainings, which are the second part of our work. So we strive to share our AI knowledge with everyone, newsrooms, and also journalists. So this is like great example or great time to I can call all of you. So if you like to what we do, feel free to contact us. We are open to partnership initiatives, and we are also open for any collaboration as well as suggestions for topics or guests. And also, since we are still at the beginning, any feedback would be greatly appreciated. You can see here my contact informations, and I'm available for any questions. Thank you so much.